He is the name of this five-stroke sign.
The hand strips a hide in this ancient design.
First katakana no,
Steep sweep on the left,
then yokobo hane,
cross stroke with leftward down flick.
then tate cuts down through that stroke on top.
Last two strokes of mata,
A hand below that spot. He is the on, here's where it's heard.
Hifa skin, the everyday word.
Hikaku,
Leather,
hiniku, skin on the surface and flesh unseen.
irony, sarcasm.
Unexpected, unlike it should have been.
Duppy,
Molting, shedding of skin, or freeing oneself from what has been. Kawa is the kun herd.
used on its own and in word.
Kawa, the skin, the hide.
The peel, husk, rind.
Kegawa, the fur, the pelt.
Keeps animals warm, the
Cold, unfelt.
kawamuki.
Strip the skin.
And get at what's within.
Tsura no kawa ga atsui.
Thick skin, they say.
For someone who won't blush or turn away. Mo, ちゃんと皮むかなきゃダメだよ。
皮ごと食べたらあかんの？
あんた、意外と面の皮厚いんだね。
一口食べてみ。
いい、私はこっち食べる。
相変わらず頑固やな。
Honestly, you have to peel it properly.
What? You're not supposed to eat the skin?
You really don't care, huh?
Here, try a bite.
Oh no, I'm good. I'll eat this one.
Stubborn, as always.
Kawa, the kun.
皮ごとかじった
甘い柿のように Like that sweet persimmon eaten skin and all.
そのままで
好きだよ
I love you
Just as you are